Please join me in this centering meditation. Fix your eyes on something or close your eyes if you would like. And if you will, place your hand on your belly and maybe your other hand on your heart space. And as you take a deep breath, feel that air, that oxygen going down into your heart space, through into your belly space. In and out, breathing in this breath that we all share. We all are exchanging these oxygen molecules in this room, in Woodstock, in all the world. Actually, molecules that have been around since the dawn of time. They're all here among us, breathing in and breathing out, sharing this oxygen. And we also share water on this planet. Each of us drinks from the same source. And we also share food on this planet, each of us sharing in the bounty that this earth provides. We share everything. None of us is isolated and alone. It may look like it sometimes, but it's not real. We're all connected. So for the next few moments as we're breathing in and breathing out, perhaps you can join me silently in these phrases and just allow them to maybe impact your body in a certain way, and also perhaps bring up some visualizations. The first one is, I am the light of God. Breathe that in and breathe that out. I am the light of God. You are the light of God. Perhaps visualize a loved one and say that to them in your mind's eye. You are the light of God. You can breathe that in and then breathe that out. And perhaps envision someone that you may struggle with. And perhaps say to them, you are the light of God. Breathe that in and let it go. The next phrase, I am beautiful and holy. And perhaps think of a loved one. You are beautiful and holy. You can hold them close in your mind's eye and in your heart space. Breathing it in and breathing it out. And maybe, just maybe, somebody you struggle with. And just send them the affirmation, they are beautiful and holy. The next phrase, I am worthy of love. Breathe that in all the way down, perhaps even imagining your favorite color washing through you from the top of your head all the way down through your body, through your toes, through the earth. I am worthy of love. And again, bring up somebody you love. Hold them right there and maybe wash them and say they or you are worthy of love, and just maybe imagine a beautiful light just pouring over them, through them, and in them. And again, someone perhaps that comes to mind that you're learning from, that you're learning how to be patient with, you're learning how to love, you're learning how to be kind with. Perhaps to them, bless them, and imagine your favorite light pouring over them. They are worthy of love. Now, as you're breathing in and out, I'd like you to feel how supported you are right now, how your body is supported on the chair that you're sitting on, or out there in the internet world. Perhaps you're standing, I don't know, but that you're being supported right now on this earth. And here at Unity, we support you. We support you in love and acceptance. I am supported. Just tell yourself that and really feel that. Feel how supported you are. And then perhaps maybe somebody comes to mind that maybe you think needs to feel that too. Just tell them through your mind's eye and through your heart that they are supported. Breathing in and breathing out. Support. And lastly, compassion. I am compassionate toward myself. Breathe it in. Allow that compassion to just wash over you. And as you breathe out, as you exhale that compassion for all creation, all of it, every bit of it, for we share this world, this planet. We share expression of divine energy, so unique, manifest in a million trillion different ways. Who are we to say it needs to look like something? It doesn't. It is what it is. Each manifestation, a brilliant, brilliant manifestation. May I have compassion for all. May I have compassion for me in all my manifestations. As we breathe in and breathe out today, remember that you are holy, you are loved, you are supported. Namaste.